Hi guys, how you doing today? I'm excited because I want to talk about one of the interesting topics that I know about anytime, any day, and I'm talking about digital marketing. So today I want to break down the relevance of digital marketing to a business and to an individual. I say digital marketing is something that has given me more wealth and more reach than any other career path. My name is Queen Ngozi Idemudia, and I will be explaining all you need to know about digital marketing and breaking it down to the barest minimum so you understand the relevance and why you should go into digital marketing before any other person. So I'm going to break it down. I'll start from the business, then I'll move to the individual aspect of digital marketing. Now, for a business, digital marketing helps you reach your customers, help you reach your target audience and build leads, build a funnel that will make them from the start to the finish. They decide to stay with you and also get to refer their friends to you. So with digital marketing, you can engage with prospects and be able to lead them through a journey, guide them through a journey that makes them decide to stay with you and become loyal customers. Now, for an individual, digital marketing helps you become an high in demand professional anywhere they need a digital marketer. If you have the knowledge, you have the skill, you have the experience, and you know the tools that you could use as a digital marketer, you'll be a high in demand professional. Organizations will be looking out for you, businesses will be looking out for you for consulting and all the services that you can render to them. And as a digital marketer, you control your earning. You're the one to tell them this is how much I am worth and this is how much I want to earn from this job. And as a digital marketer, an individual, you can decide what aspect of digital marketing to do. Digital marketing is big. This digital marketing is wide. It is broad. But if you want to be a standout digital marketer, a professional, you get the chance to pick whatever career path you want to walk through. It is so interesting. I'm so good and I'm so big on social media marketing, and that's the aspect that I work on. So with digital marketing, I get to pick what part of it I want to do, what part of it I want to major in, and I definitely get my pay. I can do whatever I want. I can create a course, I can create an ebook and sell and make money. Now, one thing you need to know is that as a digital marketer, you have the power to be creative. You can do whatever you want to do as a digital marketer. And when I say whatever you want to do, I mean you could either provide the service as a digital marketer, or you can productize your service and people will still buy. You can be a mentor, you can be a coach, you can be a facilitator, you can be a consultant, and for every branch of this part of digital marketing, you're making money. Now imagine when you put everything together and you build an agency where you employ people to do different parts of it and they bring in money and you pay them. You're part of the economy being big and being great. You're making the world a better place. Now, you know why it's difficult and why people try to hold back is because they fear, what if I am not successful in digital marketing? Now I ask, what if you are? What if you're the person that the world is waiting for to be a better place? What if you're the business that another business owner is looking out for? What if you're the agency that's going to help the next generation startup be great? If you hold back, you're going to hold those people back. So I'm going to encourage you today to make up your mind and register for the next digital marketing training. Trust me, we're going to have an interesting time. And yes, I'm your facilitator for the class. So I'm going to be breaking down different aspects of digital marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, website design, consultancy, business ethics, copywriting, SEO, SEM, advertising, analytics, and we're going to have fun. There's a lot that we're going to do. I will show you how to build your website. I'll show you how to get your domain name, how to host it, and I'll show you the interesting tools that I use. Some of them I use, some of them I just have in my archive. So for the days that I look out for something I need to do that they can deliver on, I will launch them. Now, digital marketing is interesting. Do not take this opportunity for granted. Your children will appreciate you for this investment you're going to do. Now, as a business or as a business owner, digital marketing is going to give you the leverage. So compete with people who have been in the business longer than you. Now, one thing you need to know is when you start, it's going to get better, but not until you start, you're holding yourself back. Digital marketing is big. Digital marketing is interesting. Trust me. You can do your research, go out there, check on YouTube, check on Google. You can learn a lot on why you should follow through this training. This training is going to break everything down, up to how to build your content calendar, how not to be distracted, how to stay consistent in the business. I'm going to cover all of that. And that is why you need to register for this training. Digital marketing is going to bless your finances. Digital marketing is going to blow your mind and expose you to online opportunities to make money, get better, build your self-confidence, and also deliver on your promise to be a better person. I'm sure when you started the year, you decided and you made the decision that, oh, I'm going to be this, I'm going to make this. How much did you say you would make? How far has that gone? Let's help you build your worth through digital marketing. I tell you, it's going to be fun, it's going to be exciting. I hope to see you in class. Please and please do not let this opportunity pass you by, because the next might not be as this. I'm not going to say the word, but trust me, we're going to have fun and it's going to be an interesting time. Once again, my name is Queen Ngozi Idemudia. I cannot wait to see you in class. Thank you very much and have a lovely day. Bye bye.